This is how I repaired some damage in my bathtub. Get the area really clean where you're going to make the repair by wiping it down with alcohol or another cleaner. I found this water weld 2-part epoxy made by JB Weld, which creates a waterproof bond. You can find it from pretty much any hardware store. The 2-part epoxy has 2 different colors, so you cut a section off and you knead it together and squish it until both colors are completely blended together. Press the epoxy into the hole or into the crack and get it as smooth as possible. Follow the instructions on the label of the 2-part epoxy for how long to let it dry, and then you can sand it to make it as smooth as you can. Once you have sanded it all the way smooth, use some of this appliance epoxy and spray over the repair to blend it into the rest of the bathtub. Here are some photos of how it turned out. And you can see that the sheen is just barely different, but the repair turned out pretty good and it hides the hole that was there before. Now your bathtub doesn't leak through the crack anymore. It looks so much better, and now your skin doesn't get caught on any sharp edges when you're moving around.